What's the meaning of British? British. British.
British. British. The term British generally refers to anything related to or characteristic of the United Kingdom or its people. It encompasses the history, culture, and traditions of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The British people are known for their monarchy, parliamentary democracy, and contributions to science, literature, music, and sports. The UK is recognized as a global leader in various areas such as finance, technology, and education. The country has a diverse population and is home to numerous ethnic groups. Overall, being British is a complex concept that embodies a rich and multifaceted society with its own distinct identity.